Hi, this is Jamie with isoTracker, and in this tutorial we're going to continue to discuss recording a corrective action in the training module. So let's get started. Let's log in as a user that we've previously sent a corrective action request to and go to the summary page. We'll click on the Card tab and we see this user has a training notes alert here. If we click on the link, it'll take us right to the corrective action page, and we can see the corrective action request details here. Now click on the Submit Reply button to respond to the request. We'll enter the details of the action taken in the text box. Select the date completed here. You can add documents by clicking the Upload button here. Then click Submit to record and send the response. The details of the response are then listed below the request here, including the date the reply was sent, the completion date, and any attached documents will be shown here. You can click on the Edit icon here to edit this message before it is accepted or rejected, and you can click on the plus sign here to send a follow-up message to this reply to the same user only. Now let's log out and log in as the super admin. Select Summary as the start page, and we'll open the Card tab, and we can see we have a trainer reply alert. Click on that link to open it, and we're taken right to the corrective action section. We can now review the action taken by the user we assigned the request to. The Accept Reject button appears, but we will ignore that for now. Below that, we have three icons: Copy to AR, Action Required, Copy to AT, Action Taken, and Copy to E, Effectiveness. Let's click Copy to AT to copy the action taken by the user to the Corrective Action Taken section. The Corrective Action Taken section is now populated with the contents of the reply below, including completion date, the completed by user, and any attached documents. The Copy to AT icon is deactivated after the contents of the reply are copied to the Action Taken section. Below the Action Taken section are the Next Steps tabs that, when clicked, open the relevant module in a new tab so that a change request can be recorded, an audit can be scheduled, a complaint could be logged, training might be scheduled, etc. Once they are completed, the details will be recorded at the bottom of the Action Taken section. Now let's record the effectiveness by clicking on the plus sign and populate the details of the effectiveness in the text box here and click Submit. The page refreshes and we see that all the key elements of this corrective action are listed here. Note that not all of the fields need to be populated, except a nonconformance or a root cause must be associated with at least one Action Required, Action Taken, or Effectiveness sections. A preventive action would be recorded in an identical fashion as these corrective action steps. And that's how a user replies to a corrective action notification and completes a corrective action in the training module. In our next tutorial, we'll discuss how to close the corrective action and the training event. So be sure to check it out, along with our other tutorials, so you can make the most of isoTracker.